Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is my second video in my spring cleaning series. I am going to go ahead and link the first one in the eye for you in case you missed yesterday's video, but today's is all about the upstairs, so I'm bringing you tons of cleaning motivation to help you get your spring cleaning started as well. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So I'm going to start off by stripping the bed today. I always do this first thing in the morning whenever it's laundry day for the bedding, and as I'm doing a spring clean and getting the room nice and clean and fresh, I thought it wouldn't be complete without nice fresh bedding as well. So I'm just going to go ahead, strip the bed and get that put in the wash. So once I had all that in, I wanted to start off in the laundry room. As you can see, I've got a lot of washing to get done, I've got some ironing to do, and I just need to get all of this emptied out so I can go in and give it more of a deep clean. And you're going to see a little bit later on in the video how dusty and dirty this room actually is, and I was actually really surprised because it's not been that long since it's had a good deep clean. So this is definitely something I need to keep on top of a little bit more. So I'm just going to go ahead and put all of this away, do the ironing, and just get it all emptied out so I have a blank canvas to work with.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound.
So once I had that little lot done, it was time to go in and give it a good dust. And like I said, I wasn't expecting it to be as bad as it was because it's really not been that long. But now I know that I definitely need to do it more often. So I'm just going to start off by emptying it out and going over all of the shelves and all of the decor and everything, because I don't really give that a dust over. And now I know I definitely don't do it as often as I should. So I'm going to go in, give it a good dust, get it nice and fresh, because it's amazing what a good dust can do. And then I'm also going to go in and do the skirting boards as well.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love. I need only.
So I just wanted to show you a quick before, because I know filming in a completely white room can make everything look bright and clean, but I just wanted to show you that it's really not. I'm not being dramatic, it was really coated, so I'm going to go in and give it a good dust off.
Be together, it's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
So I find hoovering so satisfying. I do downstairs pretty much every single day, but the laundry room doesn't get done that often. Even when I do the bedroom, I forget to go into the laundry room, and I just think it's because I've either got washing, drying in there, or I've got loads of ironing to do. So whenever I've done the ironing, I just want to get out of there and I forget to hoover it. So I want to go in and give it a good hoover over, and I'm also going in with the steam mop today as well. I really do want to get my hands on a proper carpet cleaner, but it's just not in the budget at the moment, so I'm just going to go over it with the steam mop. Luckily there aren't any stains or any deep marks that I really need to get out, so the steam mop is perfect at the moment. It just freshens it up and leaves it smelling beautiful. I do add some sephlora into the water as well, and I just feel like it just disinfects everything and makes it all nice and fresh and smelling beautiful. So once I had everything put back in, this room just felt instantly better. It just felt so fresh and calming. So I'm really glad that I got that done today, and I'm now just going to move through into the bedroom so I can give that a good dust. I have recently done a bedroom deep clean. I'm going to go ahead and link that at the top, so if you do want to see any more bedroom deep cleaning motivation, do go ahead and watch that video after this one. But for today, I'm going to be going in, giving it a dust, giving it a hoover, and also steam mopping the carpets.
Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes.
So my future plans for this room is to definitely get a white cabinet for the TV to go on. I would love the telly to be mounted on the wall, but for some reason we can't do that. There's something in the wall that is preventing us from doing it, and honestly I have no idea what it is. I am not an expert at all, I have no idea, but Rob said there's something in there that's stopping us, so unfortunately we can't do that. So it does have to be on the cabinet, but I just want that whole space brightened up a little bit, so I think I will definitely be going and getting a white one when we can, just to brighten that area up. And I'm also thinking of having some corner shelves on my side of the bed so I can have some plants and stuff. I've decided against having anything on the walls because I do like it being bare and minimalistic, but I also love a good plant as well, so I'm thinking of having the same corner shelves as I do in the laundry room and just freshen it up a little bit and make it look a little bit different while still having it nice and simple. So I'm now in the main bathroom and I'm just going to empty off the shelf, give it a good wipe over with the anti-bac wipe, and I did go ahead and buy a new flash spray for the bathroom. I know that I always use the Method, but I've seen this spray used so often I really wanted to give it a go, and I was actually really pleasantly surprised. I knew that I would like it because it's flash, but I was a bit wary on the scent because I love my mints and citrusy smells, but this actually smells gorgeous. It's so fresh, and even though I didn't really know what it was going to smell like, it smells nothing like what I thought it was going to, if that makes any sense. It's really nice, so if you're looking to try something different, I definitely do recommend this one, and I think I will definitely be buying it again. And I also think it actually cleans the bath a lot easier than the Method spray. I do have to do a bit more scrubbing using the Method, whereas this one everything just wiped away, so that's definitely a huge bonus for me because it does break my back having to bend over and scrub it all down. So I'm definitely going to be buying this one again. So this is definitely a real life moment, and I know from a distance the bathroom can look nice and clean, but it definitely has its problem areas. So I'm going to go in with a toothbrush using the washing up liquid and white vinegar mix and just give that a good scrub over. I'm really glad that I noticed it when I did because I don't want it getting any worse than this. I think it will definitely use another go over, but I'm really pleased with how much it came off and how good it's actually looking after one go. But like I said, I'm just really glad that I did notice it. So do make sure that you dive in and give things like this a little bit more notice and just really pay attention, because this could have ended up so much worse if I didn't actually look for it. And it's just something that I don't really look for. It's not something that I normally look at, so I am really glad that I spotted it and got this done today.
Didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright.
So once I had that sorted, I'm going in again with the washing up liquid and white vinegar mix and just scrubbing over the shower door with a minky and just getting it nice and fresh. I love doing this mix. It smells absolutely beautiful as well. I leave it on for a couple of minutes and then just rinse it off, and it literally leaves it crystal clear. So the final thing that I need to do in here is just give it a good hoover over, and then I'm also mopping the floor to make it nice and fresh. Like I said before, I do add the sephlora into the water, so it just helps the whole room smell gorgeous. And then once that's done, I can just go ahead and put everything back. And if you've been here since Christmas, you know that I am fairy lights crazy. I absolutely love them, so I did go ahead, grab some from the garage and use them in this room. I think it just makes it feel so much more calming, especially when you take a bath. It's just so relaxing. So I love how that looked, and I'm now in the bedroom ready to make the bed and make it all nice and fresh. So I'm just going to go ahead, get the bedding on and finish the bedroom up.
Told. But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
I really hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope it's given you all the motivation that you came looking for today, and it's helped motivate you to get your spring cleaning done as well. Do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I do post every single day to bring you tons of motivation and home decor inspo, and I would love for you to be a part of my little YouTube family by subscribing, and I will see you back here in the next one.